Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to announce the arrival.
As we today embark upon a journey for the next 200 years, let us think beyond this bicentenary about the generation that will succeed us in the years to come, and the beautiful ones who are not yet born. How can we pave the way so that their future may be better than ours, their opportunities greater than ours, their growth and development enhanced, and their prosperity assured?
The logistics command is commanded by Second Lieutenant Jeremiah Y. Wallace.
It is a great thing. It is a great thing, and I see hope. I see the betterment of Liberia, and I see young people wanting to do well if they're given the opportunity. I see changes using technology in the next 100 years. I see things moving forward. You know, we can see the 200 years as a stepping stone to move to the 21st century, to embrace new technology, to embrace new ideas, to improve the economy of Liberia. So you see the next scientist coming from Liberia.